It's a little, I don't know, overview, I guess. The AlphaTig 225. 2025. So I just got this welder probably. It shipped the 15th. I got it the 16th. So had it for about a week or two now. 225 amps. I haven't used any of that really. I probably used like 150. I got some welds. AC. I think these are a lot nicer than the welds I had with this welder. It's on the same cart. But these are a lot nicer. I'll be building a turbo kit. So I'm trying to, trying to make everything look real nice and shit. But it comes with a super flex cable, torch. It was denim wrapped. I didn't add this. This came like this. Nice straight torch. Came with extra gas lenses. This is like the kit. I believe it might be the pre-order. Came with the welder cover and this extra gas lenses. I believe all of them ship with the gas regulator. It's not over here, but yeah, welds really nice. The Nova pedal down here. Here's the other welder. I was using that one to make intercooler piping and shit. It's not the best on aluminum, so that's why I got this AHP, and this one is super nice, the pulse and everything. It's kind of what I have it set at right here. This is like 30% balance, maybe 100 hertz. That's one thing I don't really like about this machine. You can see down here, it has the 220 hertz, but there's no numbers in between, so it's kind of hard to gauge. What I did is I ended up counting all these. I think there's either 12 or 14, depends on where you start. And I just divide the 200 by 12 and then try and like count up and shit, I wish that the display would show everything that you made changes and then go back to the amps, but it's not how it is. Yep, I don't know. It's really good machine, I guess. Just have to weld with it. If you have a couple under $1,000 budget, I'd say it's pretty nice machine to grab. The gas tank's gonna be a little bit extra, but all the stuff is pretty quality, I'd say. I don't have like a prime welder or anything. I'm just coming from the welder, but I used to weld on Miller's and Everlast machines, so it's not too bad for like $800. Yep, pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I guess if you have any idea of how this might be set up, like how much each block is, you can let me know too. So yeah, there you go. AHP 2025 TIG 225.